Linking your bank account to PromptPay is a straightforward process that allows you to make and receive payments easily. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Download the PromptPay app. Begin by downloading the PromptPay app from your device's App Store. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection for a smooth installation. Step 2. Create an account. Open the app and create an account by providing the necessary personal information such as your name, phone number, and email address. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 3. Navigate to bank account linking. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Input your bank account information, including the bank name, account number, and any other required details. Double-check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm the linking request. You may receive a verification code via SMS or email to finalize the process. Enter the code as prompted. Now that you have linked your bank account to PromptPay, you can enjoy seamless transactions. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer support for assistance.